Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now it's a really special day today because we don't normally get the camera out and film during the week, but we've got some exciting news to share with you guys, haven't we?
We have a special treat for you.
Special treat. So what is the treat, Claire?
We are going to be on the radio.
We are going to be on the radio. So yeah, if you could imagine like Dolittle Campers, but without seeing our face, but just laughing to our voice, that's exactly what's going to be happening.
They're going to love that.
I know, we've got a face for radio, us too. But yeah, so we have been approached to be on Caravan Radio. Now, Caravan Radio is the UK's newest radio station. How exciting is that?
It is.
Now, let me just explain. So, Caravan Radio is an online radio station. It is aimed primarily at people like us. Although it's called Caravan Radio, it's also aimed at people with motorhomes, people with campervans, people with tents, people who like tents.
The whole camping community.
The whole camping community.
It's very relevant to the camping community, isn't it, David?
But anyone can listen, so the only reason why it's kind of exclusive to that community is because the news and also probably our sketches will be kind of that way orientated.
Yeah.
But yeah, even if you watch our channel and you don't have a caravan, don't have a campervan, don't have anything, you are more than welcome on that radio station.
They play some banging tunes.
Yeah.
Really good mix of tunes.
Can you imagine driving at the weekend, right, and listening to a radio station where you never have to skip a song because it's just great music?
Really good music.
You might want to skip us when we crop up, but okay, so how do you get Caravan Radio? So there is the website. What's the website, Claire?
www.caravanradio.co.uk.
Yeah, so you can go on there and you can stream it straight to your phone.
Yeah.
It's a piece of cake. You go to that website and you press play. It's as simple as that. Now, if you don't want to go on a website, you can also use an app. So there's an app called
My Tuner Radio.
My Tuner Radio. I said that without moving my lips, didn't I, with my little helper? So you can go on there and then you can select any radio station in the UK, because I've got mine set up for BBC Three Counties as well. Don't tell Caravan Radio that. I can listen to either. But I love Caravan Radio, it's the best, so I listen to that more.
You can also listen if you've got an Alexa. So first you have to enable the skill. So if you say to your Alexa, Alexa, enable the Caravan Radio skill. Once you've done that, it will then learn that skill, and then you just say, Alexa, play Caravan Radio.
But if you do forget the instructions Claire's just given you, the beauty is caravanradio.co.uk, go to the website and the instructions are there as well.
It'll tell you there as well, yeah.
And to be honest with you, it is idiot proof because we went over to the Isle of Man and we programmed our friend's Alexa. So what can you expect to see on there from us?
Here.
On here? What?
Expect to hear on there.
Oh, expect to hear, yes, it's here. Not. So what can you expect?
The view that you're not going to see our faces.
It's because I said there and you said here, so I got really confused. So what can you expect to hear on there from us? What can they expect?
So
drivel like this.
Drivel, yeah. There's a few snippets of us just having banter, basically, because there's a lot of dilemmas. It's called Dolittle Dilemmas.
Dolittle Dilemmas.
So funny stuff happens, and we've just recreated it for radio.
Yeah, basically, we've took note of all the funny, silly things that happen to us across the course of going away in the van, going out and about, and we've decided to script them, and we've decided to make little short, you call them skits, don't you?
Skits, yeah.
Yeah.
I think they're skits.
So that's what we're doing. And when does it go out, Claire?
This weekend.
This weekend
Saturday.
is the premiere. So we are going out on both Saturday and Sunday. And we will be the first article or the first thing that's not music after the first song at 11 o'clock. So you're going to have 11 o'clock, you're going to have the news, then there'll be a piece of music, and then there'll be us too.
But if you listen to Caravan Radio now, you may hear our little promo. There's a little introduction to us, isn't there?
There is, and I'll tell you what.
Don't waste time. Tune in to Caravan Radio.
I'll tell you what, I've got a little gadget. So shall we see if I can actually find our promo on Caravan Radio, and I'll show you the gadget at the same time. Okay, so for anyone that knows anything about vans, our van is a VW T6. It's the Highline model, but the Highline model you have to pay extra to have CarPlay. So the frustrating thing is I've never been able to have like Google Maps, mirror my phone, stuff like that in the van. I've had to prop my phone up, which is a bit dodgy, with Google Maps on it, etc, etc. Come up with a solution to that. So I found a company called CarPlay Box, right? And they do a little gadget that is essentially CarPlay, but external from your actual CD player. I contacted them and they were more than happy to send us one out. So for transparency, we're not being paid to do this advert. I found a product that worked really well for us, and I think it would work really well for you guys. So I just wanted to show you what it's all about. So what you can see is, you can see it here. Basically what happens is, my phone connects to this. My phone also connects to the CD player. So I can control my phone from here, but the noise still comes out of my CD player. Now, I initially thought the phone connected to here and then this connected to the CD player. It doesn't. My phone connects to both at the same time, essentially. So how does it work? What features have we got? So it's a bit of a learning curve. I only put it in this morning. So we have got a built-in dash cam as well. So you can see the camera is on the other side, and you can also move the camera a little bit. It's difficult to do one-handed, but yeah, you can re-aim the camera. So essentially that will record everything when we're driving. It does also come with a reversing camera. Now, the reversing camera was a bit of a ball ache to install, because you have to connect it to the reversing light so that it knows when you're reversing, and I'm not the type of person who can do things like that. So CarPlay, there we go. For anyone that's got Apple CarPlay, you can see that that is exactly what you would expect on CarPlay there. You mirror everything that you have got on your phone. See, someone sent me a WhatsApp there. You've also got the MyTuner radio app. So shall I show them how it works, Claire?
Yeah, let's do it.
So this is the app that I was saying about that you can use in order to get Caravan Radio. So you go into the app and essentially you can search for stations. However, I've got it under my recents. So if I go to recent, you can see right at the top I've got Caravan Radio. Shall we give it a go and see what's on?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay. There we go. So Caravan Radio should now be on the screen, and it is about to play. Let's give it a whirl.
Caravan Radio, Dolittle Dilemmas with YouTubers David and Clare.
Claire, I've got some good news. We are pivoting.
What on earth do you mean?
We're going on the radio.
Oh, David, I've told you already, phoning in to the local radio station to complain about self-service checkouts and the like does not make you a radio presenter.
No, not that. Not local radio. Caravan Radio have been in contact. They said that they've watched our YouTube and they think that we're the perfect face for radio.
Perfect face for radio, and that's a good thing?
Yeah, they think we'll be great.
We don't have a caravan, we've got a campervan.
Yeah, well, that's purely Aristotle.
What?
Aristotle, academic, irrelevant.
Irrelevant? You're irrelevant.
Never mind that. Let's start recording.
Okay, but first, I've got to do my hair.
Join David and Clare for Dolittle Dilemmas this weekend from 11 here on Caravan Radio.
Okay, so that was the CarPlay Box Pro. Now, I'll be honest with you, we haven't had a chance to drive anywhere, so we haven't had a chance to put it through its paces, but we're going away this weekend, so I will feature it in the vlog at the weekend, and we'll see how we get on with it, and I'll give it a proper thorough review. I will link it down below, just in case you are interested in having a look for it yourself. But going back to Caravan Radio, the other thing we forgot to mention is the QR code. So you will have seen it on the screen a minute ago. It should be on the screen now still, if I've remembered to put it in. Claire won't let me forget. If you scan that QR code with your phone, it will take you straight to the website, caravanradio.co.uk, just in case you forget. It'll take you straight there, and then you'll be able to listen online. You'll be able to see the instructions, where else you can hear, where else you can listen. Seriously, guys, this is going to be a massive asset for our community, and I'm not just saying that because I'm on it. I'm saying it because the music is absolutely awesome. All of the adverts are going to be tailored towards you guys. The news, the weather, everything. So yeah, give them a try. Listen once, and I guarantee you will listen again and again and again. Because it happened to us, it happened to our friends.
Yeah, they're good tunes.
Just,
I'm really enjoying it.
You will get hooked, I promise you. Right, what do we do at the end of the vlog?
Oh,
I
that's
can't
it for
remember.
now. Dolittle's done.